These flying dragon videos are going insanely viral on Instagram and TikTok right now. And the craziest part? This is literally a brand new content niche with almost zero competition. Translation, if you start now, you're early. And on the internet, being early is basically legal cheating. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these videos step by step, completely free. Alright, first open ChatGPT and click Explore GPTs in the left sidebar. Then search for Flying Dragon Generator and choose this one. Hit Start Chat, then click to launch the generator. Now here's where it gets fun. It's going to give you 10 flying dragon scenes to choose from. You can pick a number, type your own idea, or just type more if you want even crazier options. Alright, I'm typing more because obviously we need something that looks like it escaped from a Hollywood budget. And boom, now it gives us 10 fresh new ideas. Yo, this one is insane. Prism Dragon over Crystal Waterfalls at Sunrise. Yeah, we're taking that one. So just type the number and hit send. Now ChatGPT gives you two things, an image prompt and a video prompt. First, copy the image prompt and head over to Google Flow AI. Log in with your Google account and you'll see this interface. Choose image mode, set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and select Nano Banana 2. Then paste your image prompt and hit send. Wait a few seconds. And boom, your image is generated. Now look at this. The creativity, the lighting, the visuals. This honestly looks like Pixar and a fantasy movie had a baby. Next, head back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt, then go back to Google Flow. Select video generation mode, upload your image as the start frame, paste the prompt, and hit send. Now wait a little bit. And as you can see, our video is generated and it looks absolutely mind-blowing, like the type of content people accidentally watch 14 times instead of going to sleep. Download it in the highest resolution available. And by using this exact same method, you can create unlimited videos like this in different styles, themes, and fantasy worlds. So yeah, that's the entire workflow. If you learned something, make sure you subscribe to my channel, AI Exentra, so you don't miss the next viral AI niche before everyone else and their dog starts doing it. I'll see you in the next video.